Hello friends, today we're going to use this little shadow box to make a cute little fall decoration. First of all, we're painting everything a bright white. I love these wide brushes. They make it really nice and easy to be able to paint these little boxes and stuff like that pretty quickly. Give it a dry. Then we're going to use this beautiful blue napkin that I got from European Excellency. I am an affiliate with them, and if you would like, you could find the link in my link tree. I love this napkin, you guys. I've used this on several projects. There's a little Posh Pigment infuser. Let me take and spread that out really nicely. Then we're going to take and we're going to lay our napkin right inside this little box on top of the infuser. This is decoupaging. Of course, you guys all know that, I'm sure. Give it a good dry. Then we are going to give it a little bit of Posh Pigment infuser over the top for a sealer. I'm going to take a small piece of napkin and put back here in this corner here. I felt like that it was kind of a little bit of a gap, so I just fixed that really good to make it look nice. We're going to take this little pumpkin that came on a garland from Walmart. The colors that we are using are Mojito. It is a magical chalk paint by Paint Pixie. We are also using a blackberry cobbler, a sugared glass, a blue Java banana, and a moss colored green, and some honeycomb yellow with a little bit of white. And we're taking this leaf. This leaf is off of a rose off of my wood you bend, you guys, but I can still use the rose. I just took this off the bottom of it. You won't even be able to tell it's missing when I go to use it. We're going to put this on our cute little pumpkin for a sweet little leaf. But first, we're going to paint that stem statuary, and we added a little bit of green on top of that, just to kind of give it a little green and brown vibe. Then we're going to add the leaf on top. Then I'm going to just go back and kind of highlight the areas. I always see things once I get it all put together where I need to add colors, take away colors, whatever it is that needs to be done. I can always tell once I get it all put together. We're going to add a little bit of Rub and Buff to the leaf and a little bit to the pumpkin, and then I pick it up and realize that a little bit of the blackberry cobbler around the edges would make it pop a little bit. We're going to put a couple Jenga blocks in the little box here and add our pumpkin. Look how sweet that is, you guys. We could leave it at this, but no, we're going to continue. We've got some pretty little paper flowers. We've got some dark blue ones, light blue ones, and some sunflowers. Super pretty. Go ahead and get all these added on the corner. Just kind of give them a fluff because they are paper, you guys. I love these little florals here. Super duper cute. And this one's kind of a light blue with a small amount of blue in it, the little one on the left there. We're going to add our sweet little piece of fern. I love the way it just kind of lays down the little box here. And we're going to do the same right here on this bottom corner. We're going to add some on the bottom corner. Little sunflower. We're kind of mimicking the same thing we did up top, but it's a little different with a little different flowers. There's a little pink flower we threw in there and a little burlap flower. And we're going to add the ferns coming up this side of the box. Super duper cute, you guys. Look at this. Absolutely adorable. Y'all, I am loving this. I love these little burlap flowers. We're just kind of tucking those in there for just a little bit of brown. I think this makes such a cute fall decoration. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will come back and see us again. Thank you for spending your time with us, and have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon.